Southampton 0, Everton 2, Bournemouth 2, Sterling 1, Aston
So I ended Nottingham Forest 1, Wolves 1, and I'm a little bit disappointed with that, but the Wolves goalkeeper Sam Johnson kept him in the game. Christmas goal, good goal from him, second goal of the season. But straight away, Wolves scored a fantastic goal, so fair play to them. But I'm happy with the point. Sam Johnson again, he's kept him in the game. Some Tuesday's a bit late, very late, but can't complain, we've not lost, and it's a point. It's a point for the City ground. Go away. Yeah, it's a point. I'm going to Natasha Date with 5 points, some B-turn, so that's a positive as well. Have a debut for Blegovic about Marino. Again, not too bad. I'm surprised, I'm a bit disappointed Jota Silva didn't come on earlier, if I'm honest. But first fans, how are you feeling about that? Are you happy with the point? Disappointed we didn't get 3 points? Comment below how you feeling. See you soon.